guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. If you're new here, welcome to the channel, and if you're an OG subscriber, welcome back to the channel. Please, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this glasses case. It's very easy. All you need is two little pieces of fabric. Basically, you guys know on this channel I have a scrap playlist where you can watch videos that are made with scrap pieces, easy things that you can make that are amazing. I'm going to link it down below in the description box so that you guys can go check it out. It's amazing, fabulous, guys, and this project is no different. Let's get into it.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
And guys, this is what it looks like. I'm just going to put my glasses in and it is done. It's beautiful, it's amazing, it has strength, so whenever you put your glasses inside you don't have any fear that it's going to break. So guys, I love it. It turned out amazing. If you try it out, please tag me on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations. I'll be ready to showcase your work with all my growing followers, and even here on YouTube. Also, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your super chats, super thanks. I'm so grateful. Comment in the comment section if you have any questions. Like this video, share within and outside your circle. Also, don't forget to check out the scrap projects playlist. I'm going to link it. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.